Welcome to BA Careers. In this video, let us discuss about business process modeling techniques. Key points outline. Introduction to business process modeling. Definition and purpose of business process modeling. Importance in improving business processes. Types of business process modeling techniques. Flowcharting. Data flow diagrams, DFD. Business process model and notation, bpmn. Unified modeling language, UML. Gantt charts. SDLC diagrams. Examples of business process modeling. Real-world application in industries like finance, healthcare, etc. Tools for business process modeling. Software and platforms used for modeling. Benefits of business process modeling. Improved communication. Enhanced efficiency. Better compliance and risk management. Conclusion. Welcome to this presentation on business process modeling techniques. In today's dynamic business environment, understanding and improving business processes is crucial for success. Business process modeling provides a visual representation of these processes, allowing organizations to identify inefficiencies and optimize operations. Types of business process modeling techniques. There are several techniques for modeling business processes, each with its unique strengths. Let's explore some of the most commonly used methods. Flowcharting. Flowcharting is a simple yet powerful way to visualize the sequence of activities in a process. It uses symbols like arrows and boxes to represent the flow of tasks. Data flow diagrams, DFD. DFDs focus on the flow of information within a system. They are particularly useful for understanding data movement and system design. Business process model and notation, bpmn. bpmn is a standardized method for mapping out business processes. It provides a clear and detailed representation, making it ideal for complex processes. Unified Modeling Language, UML. Originally designed for software development, UML can also be applied to business processes. It helps in visualizing different aspects of a system, including workflows. Gantt charts. Gantt charts are used for project planning and scheduling. They provide a visual timeline of tasks and their dependencies, making them essential for project management. SDLC diagrams. SDLC stands for suppliers, inputs, process, outputs, and customers. This technique provides a high-level overview of a process, focusing on the relationships between these components. Examples of business process modeling. Business process modeling is widely used across various industries. For instance, in healthcare, modeling can streamline patient intake and treatment workflows. In finance, it can optimize transaction processing and risk management. Tools for business process modeling. There are numerous tools available for business process modeling, including software like Visio, ludichart, and Bizagi. These platforms offer a range of features to help create accurate and detailed models. Benefits of business process modeling. Implementing business process modeling techniques offers several benefits. It improves communication across teams, enhances operational efficiency, and ensures better compliance with regulations. Moreover, it aids in risk management by identifying potential issues early. Conclusion. In conclusion, business process modeling is a vital tool for modern organizations. By visualizing processes, businesses can identify areas for improvement and drive efficiency. Thank you for joining us in this presentation. We encourage you to explore these techniques further and see how they can benefit your organization. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and share for more videos. For more information, link